Do not get married until you know this. Your wedding guests will capture hundreds of priceless moments, candid laughs, emotional glances, those unexpected dance-offs. But collecting these photos later can be a real headache. It's your big day. The last thing you want is to be troubleshooting tech issues or fielding questions from guests about how to share their photos. And the truth is, no one wants to download another disposable camera app or create an account just to send a few pictures. This is often how amazing in-the-moment memories don't make it to you. Following up with guests afterward to send their photos can also be awkward and exhausting. You might get a handful through group chats or social media, but they're often compressed, blurry, or scattered across different platforms. So many great shots just stay buried in people's phones. But there is a simple, elegant way for every guest to effortlessly send you their full quality photos and videos without any of that hassle. This is where a wedding photo QR code website really makes a difference. Here's how it works. You get a unique QR code for wedding pictures for your event. Guests scan it, and it takes them straight to an upload page for your wedding that opens right in their phone's web browser. When it comes to choosing a tool for this, Trovepix and Wedtrove are the top choices. Both make it super easy to set up your event and get your unique wedding photos QR code or shareable link. If you want all memories uploaded directly into your Google Drive, then Trovepix is the way to go. If you prefer the service to provide its own secure cloud storage for your event's media, all neatly organized, then Wedtrove is the way to go. Both offer beautiful templates on which you can put a QR code for wedding thank you cards or elegant signs for your venue. They also include a live slideshow feature to show guest photos in real time at your reception, plus full photo and video quality for unlimited guests and uploads. So if you want to make sure all those amazing moments actually make it out of people's phones and into your collection, a wedding photo QR code is the way to go. It's super simple, super effective, and saves you a ton of hassle later. Check out Trovepix or Wedtrove, whichever fits your vibe best, and get it set up ahead of the big day. All right, hope that helped. If you found this useful, give it a like, maybe share it with someone planning a wedding, and drop any questions down below. Thanks for watching, and congrats if you're getting married soon.